Hello everyone, welcome back to Stocks for All 17 channel. And today I want to discuss and I want to share how the stock market works. Okay, because there were some of my friends who were asking me how does stock market work? How how does it function? Uh, Is it like lottery or is it like some fraud? So I've made this video so that we can understand how the stock market works. Okay, uh, we'll just in brief we will study the need of stock market in the economy, the roles of stock market, and also uh, in India the role of SEBI, that is Security and Exchange Board of India. Okay, first we will see what is stock market. So stock market is a platform. Okay, it's a platform where those who are interested investors like retail investors or FIS, these foreign institutional investors or domestic institutional investors, they they buy shares of some companies. Okay, and then what it helps is that it helps in financing the company's capex. Suppose a company, suppose let's say Reliance, they want to uh, construct a manufacturing facility somewhere in India, but they do not have the money to construct them. So what they do is they will apply for IPO, initial public offering, and then from there they will uh, suppose they will distribute their companies into 1,000 shares, and 1,000 shares out of that, let's say they're going to give 100 shares to the to the public or to the investors so that they can buy. So when the public, they will distribute the price also. Let's say one share will be 100 rupees like that. Then they will advertise their company share, and then from there, when investors buy their company shares, they will get the capex, they will get the money to construct their factory. That's just one example. Okay, that is how companies get money from stock market. Now, also when companies perform well, the stock prices go up. That's why investors also they get profit by investing in companies. And again, it helps the economy to grow because development is coming now. Yeah, it goes like this. So that is how the stock market works. And why we need stock market is this, because as we can see, I've made some important, there may be many, but some needs, why, some points why we need stock market. Okay, because number one, as already mentioned, it gives the company capital to invest to further develop their company or expand their company. And also it gives the opportunity to investors to gain profit from the company's good performance. And also, as I've mentioned in my previous videos, that there is liquidity in stock market. Okay, so that is a very good benefit. And then in the long run, economic growth of the country happens because uh, companies are performing, so jobs are being created, value is added in the economy, so economic growth happens. And then the how this functions roles in the stock market. Okay, companies, they raise funds by issuing shares. I've explained before. So, and then these investors, they will buy shares or sell shares, and then this is this happens with the help of these stock exchanges. Okay, in India there are two stock exchanges. One is Bombay Stock Exchange and one is the National Stock Exchange. Okay, NSE and BSE. Then brokers like this Angel One, like Grow, Kite, all these things, they will facilitate the exchange. Okay, and then regulator, this is where SEBI, the Security and Exchange Board of India, comes into play. I'll explain their role in the next slide. Okay, so SEBI, what SEBI does is that SEBI will check, they will protect the investors' interest, so that companies will not fool the investors now, and they will ensure transparency and fairness also, and then they will monitor so that insider trading information like that, the thing that happened in the Harsh Mehta, those things should not happen. Okay, they are the watchdogs. They are the watchdog of the stock market. Okay, and so in conclusion, this is what the stock market is important, because it helps in economic growth. It helps companies to get capital for their capital expenditure, and also it helps investors like us, you and me, to gain profit from the performance of those companies. And then the role of CB, as I've explained, they are like the watchdog of the stock market. They protect our money. Okay, so thank you for watching, and keep supporting, keep watching, and like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. Thank you.